I've added 6 to x, so I really want to get rid of that. So I subtract 6 to cancel it out. And make sure to do it both sides to balance the equation. I draw a line underneath. Remember, the equal sign is kind of our balance point. So if we do something to the left, we must also do it to the right. 6 take away 6 is nothing. It means we're just left with x here on the left. And 14 take away 6 is 8. Second question then, 4x is equal to 28. So these are all one-step equations. This means 4 times x is 28. So opposite operation to multiplying by 4 is to divide by 4. Divide both sides by 4. What happens here? 4 fits into 4 perfectly once. So I'm left with 1x. 4 fitted to 28 7 times. So I'm left with 7. Third question, we have our first 2-step here. Okay, so I've -5 here and I've 2. I want to get rid of both of them to find what x is. So I do the opposite operation for both. Do them one at a time though. I'm going to add 5 first because that's the opposite to minusing 5. Draw a line underneath. I balance my equation nicely here, adding 5 to both sides of the equals. This goes away. It cancels out to 0. 2x remains on the left-hand side of the equals. 9 plus 5 is 14. You probably could work it out at this stage. 2 times something is 14. Well, 2 times 7 is 14. So you can divide by 2 if you want, but maybe you're getting quicker at them at this stage. Question 4, we had x over 3 is equal to 5. So we have a division here. It's a one-step. Something divided by 3 is 5. So if you're not sure, you can multiply both sides by 3. That'll be the opposite operation. Multiply the whole side. And 3 divided and multiplied cancels out. So we have x is equal to 15 for question 4. Question 5, it starts to get a little bit trickier because we have our introduction of parentheses or brackets. This stands for 3 times this bracket. 3 times x minus 2 is equal to 15. You can divide by 3 first. I prefer, probably most of us multiplied both these by 3, tripled that bracket out to get this. You don't multiply the 15. It is not in the bracket, only what's in the bracket. Now I got to get rid of this -6. So I add 6 to both sides to get rid of that. And I have 3x left here on the left side. And on this side I add down, I get 21. Oh, 3 times something is 21. X has got to be 7. 3 times 7 is 21. Okay, whoops. Let's get on to question 6. Getting more and more difficult as we go. Question 6 then, we have variables on both sides, which can be a little bit annoying. My rule is usually to get rid of the smaller one. In this case, that's this one. Get rid of it by subtracting it. So x take away x leaves me with nothing on this side. And if I don't want to unbalance my equation, I must do it to both sides of the equals. That's gone away. That's what I wanted. 2x take away x is a single x. I have plus 7 still here, the equal sign on 12. So what number plus 7 is 12? Well, I can subtract 7 to find it out. X is 5. Question 7 seemed to cause a lot of difficulties. It's first multi-step, or second multi-step equation. I cannot add 1 to both sides. Why can I not add 1 to both sides? Well, it's 1/4. That's 1/4. It has to be divided by 4 still. So the 4 is probably what I get rid of first here. I multiply by 4 first. Kyrie, you ready? You with me? Yeah. Multiply by 4 first. Just leave swapping back until the end, please. That will get rid of this whole division of 4. And now I have 2x minus 1 is equal to 12. And now it's a 2-step equation. I add 1 to both sides first. And I get 2x is equal to 13. I'll just finish it off up here. 2x is equal to 13. Well, I'm not too sure what to do, what number it is yet. So I'll divide by 2. I'll follow my process. Dividing by 2 will get it down to 1x. 1x is 13 over 2. Which is 6.5, or you can leave it as 6.5 like this, or you can leave it as 13 over 2. I'm okay with that, 13 over 2. All those answers are acceptable. And the last one then, the one that no one got right, 5 minus 2x is equal to x plus 8. Issue here, the smaller of the x's is actually this one, because that's negative 2. Negative 2 is smaller than 1. But I presume most of us subtracted x from both sides, which is okay. What happens here, this x goes away. I have 5. What goes here? No. 5 minus 2x, subtract an x. Negative 3x, yeah. Negative 3x is equal to 8. Next step then, I want x on its own, so I gotta get rid of this 5. How do I get rid of this 5? Elvis, you know? No. How do I get rid of 5? Someone help him out.
You have to, instead of the minus, make it plus, and plus it to 8.
You add it to the 8? No. What sign is it? Is this positive or negative 5? Positive 5. Because if there's no sign in front, it's automatically positive. So I subtract it. I subtract 5 from both sides. So now that cancels. If I added 5, it would be 10 on that side. So I have negative 3x is equal to 3. Now, negative 3 times x is equal to 3. I can finish by dividing by negative 3. And x is, well, what's 3 divided by negative 3? What's 3 divided by 3? 1. What's 3 divided by negative 3? Negative.